how much should you actually spend on a 61-key Midi controller? Because you have some budget options that seem great, but then there's the pricier stuff. It's a bit interesting. Let's break down what makes the best controllers stand out. Product number 1, Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3. The Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3 caught my eye right away with its compact size and the fact that it's a bestseller at just $99. If you want an affordable yet powerful option for music production, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product solves your problem. It features 25 velocity-sensitive keys, which means you can express your musical ideas with real nuance. The 8 backlit drum pads are perfect for triggering samples or creating beats on the fly, and they're responsive enough to capture every hit accurately. Plus, with its built-in arpeggiator, you can generate complex sequences easily. It also integrates seamlessly with popular DAWs, making your workflow smoother. With over 30,600 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear this controller is hitting the mark for many users. Now, some people complained about the key size being too small for traditional players. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for portability and space-saving design, this compact setup might actually be a blessing rather than a curse. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who needs a mobile solution. Skip this one if you really need full-sized keys for serious piano playing. For the price, it offers a lot of value for budding producers. Product number 2, M-Audio Keystation 49MK3. Next up is the M-Audio Keystation 49MK3, priced at $129. It delivers a solid performance that's hard to ignore. If you want a great balance between features and price, this one's worth your attention. So why does this product stand out? The 49 full-size velocity-sensitive keys provide a natural feel, which is fantastic for capturing every subtle nuance of your performance. You also get pitch and modulation wheels that add expressiveness to your music. It's a plug-and-play device, meaning you can start creating without any complicated setup. Plus, it comes with a premium software suite, including MPC Beats and Ableton Live Lite, giving you a full production environment right out of the box. With a 4.6-star rating from over 6,600 reviews, users appreciate its reliability and ease of use. Here's my take: if you're moving it around a lot, that might be a concern. But for home studio use, it's sturdy enough for regular play. This controller is perfect for you if you want a full-sized keyboard with a natural feel without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need more keys or advanced features. For the price, it's a solid deal for beginners and intermediate players alike. Product number 3, Novation Launchkey 61MK4. Now let's talk about the Novation Launchkey 61MK4, which is priced at $329.99. This one really caught my attention with its innovative features. If you're looking for a creative powerhouse, this is worth considering. What makes it special? It integrates seamlessly with major DAWs, which is crucial if you want to streamline your workflow. Plus, it has unique features like scale mode, which helps you create harmonically correct melodies, and it even supports polyphonic aftertouch for expressive performances. With a stunning 4.8-star rating from 931 reviews, it's clear that users love its versatility and user-friendly design. A downside is its price point, which might be a bit steep for beginners. But if you're serious about music production, the features justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one controller that enhances your creativity. Skip this if you're just starting and need something more basic. Considering its capabilities, the value is definitely there for serious musicians. Product number 4, Nectar Impact GX61. Next on our list is the Nectar Impact GX61, priced at $129.90. Honestly, this controller is a great option for those looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. If you want a reliable and straightforward MIDI controller, this might just be your match. So why is this a good choice? The built-in pitch bend and modulation wheels enhance your performances, allowing for real-time expression. It's compatible with most popular DAWs, making it versatile for different setups. Users appreciate the inclusion of Bitwig 8-track DAW for those who are just starting out with music production. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it has a good reputation for reliability. Some users noted that it lacks some advanced features like drum pads. Here's the thing, if you're looking for a straightforward MIDI controller for keyboard playing, the absence of extra bells and whistles isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable MIDI controller for live performances or studio work. Skip this if you're looking for drum pads or more complex features. For the price, it's an excellent option for beginners. Product number 5, M-Audio KeyStation 61MK3. Finally, we have the M-Audio KeyStation 61MK3, which comes in at $229. This one is a solid choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with great features. If you want a spacious key range for your music, this controller is worth your attention. Why does it stand out? It also has pitch and modulation wheels, octave buttons, and a sustain pedal input, giving you complete control over your sound. The plug-and-play functionality means you can start using it right away with your Mac or PC, and it comes with a suite of production software like MPC Beats and Ableton Live Lite. With a 4.6-star rating and 6,600 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its functionality. One issue some users mentioned is the learning curve with the included software. Here's my perspective. While it might take some time to get used to, the software adds significant value and is well worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile MIDI controller for both live and studio use. Skip this if you're a pro looking for advanced features. For the money, it's a great choice for budding musicians. So to wrap it up, we have the compact Akai MPK Mini MK3 for beginners, the M-Audio KeyStation 49 MK3 for a full-sized feel, the Novation Launchkey 61 MK4 for creative control, the Nectar Impact GX61 for reliability, and the M-Audio KeyStation 61 MK3 for those needing a spacious key range. Each of these controllers serves a unique purpose, so pick one that fits your music production style.